Hey everybody, I'm going to quick show you how to record audio with your smartphone. You could actually do this with video too if your smartphone records video, which most do nowadays. I'm going to do this pretty ad hoc, so you're going to see me sort of step through this as we go. So I'm going to show you a couple things. Most smartphones, most tablets, a lot of laptops nowadays have built-in microphones, so you can just record straight into those devices as is. Some of them have pretty good acoustic echo cancellation, and so you can get pretty good results with that. And so I'll show you that first, and then we'll show you with a microphone as well. Okay, so let's jump in. So the two apps that I'm going to use are Voice Memos and Microsoft OneDrive. They're both apps that are installed on my phone already, so if you don't have them, just go to the App Store and download them. Probably Voice Memos is already installed. OneDrive, go ahead and download it and log into it with your Heritage account. So they are probably buried on a couple of different pages. On my phone, there's OneDrive. You can see it there in the middle. And then Voice Memos is down here on the right. So first thing we need to do is open Voice Memos. And I'm not going to plug any microphone into it. I'm just going to record with the microphone. So let's see, do that. Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're recording with a built-in microphone on my phone. Stop it. You can play it back. Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're recording with a built-in microphone on my phone. Awesome. Okay, now let's try plugging in a microphone. So my iPhone is an iPhone 7, and it's missing a headphone jack. I want to say missing because I really appreciated the headphone jack. But it's not there, and that's okay. Lots of phones still have them. We're starting to see Android phones now, newer ones drop them. So I've got this handy little adapter that goes from a 3.5 mil jack to the lightning jack. And so I'm going to take my microphone, which is a $5 pink headset that I bought at Walmart this morning, only because they didn't have black, but this works for the purposes of this demonstration. So we'll plug it in, and we'll plug it into the phone. And the great thing about a headset like this is that it has a built-in microphone, and you can hang it around your ear and get the microphone closer to your face than the built-in microphone of the phone. So I'm just noticing that my recording has quit on the computer, so we'll get that going again. There it is. Okay, so back to Voice Memos. Let's try a new one. We'll open Voice Memos. We'll say record. Hey, everybody. It's Tuesday afternoon. We're recording a class. This is the class on recording classes. All right, we'll stop it. And we can listen to it back. Let it listen back in my headphones. It's great. So now that we've recorded it, let's upload it to Microsoft OneDrive. So we'll press the three dots menu. We will press share. And then it's going to be an app, so it's going to be in this bottom area. So we'll scroll over and say more. We'll scroll down to OneDrive. We'll load the little pop-up. So I'll just pick a place to put it. Let's see, we'll put it in projects and course production and uploads. Actually, we'll just put it there. We'll say upload here, and we're gonna upload it. Again, the file size of this recording is pretty small, so it was pretty fast. Saved to OneDrive. Hooray! Okay, so we'll get out of that, and let's go over to the OneDrive app. There we go. And we'll just go have a look for that file. So we'll say projects again, course production, and there it is, 175, Holiday Inn Drive 2. Hey everybody, it's Tuesday afternoon. We're recording a class. This is the class that we're recording in class. And there you have it. That's how you record on a smartphone and get it offloaded onto cloud storage so that you can do something more interesting and useful with it. See you later.